GH Live TV. We serve you with the best of sports subscribe. Like and share.
Okay, like and share. Yeah, that's it. Say only a chiamu. You ready? Yam fan to jam fan Roman or Panen and Rihanna. Yam fan Dewani, MP was so live on GH Live Studios. Ghana's numero uno. Yam for training updates. Emma, quick one. Asante Crop Yama Poma Metema Sante Kotoko. To me, every one training. Yeah, the one Sam Kakra. I bet you ja ama yenati for duties upon duties. Yede ebema nafi ye rum Basake Holy Stars. Woman so a training hon sem any camp news opponent watch ahead of gamer. Woman any kumasi asante kotoko everybody nyamidi adoma da kwesi ada no yem fa kotoko details nkwa ma bra ye giant opponent there any atu a 20 hon sem so yede somo live na yama quick update and it yourself at a latest update on our bet super I bet Amoah eba na yede ama live show we so I bet Amoah on some kakra yede ebe somo na afi host of other players and so omo de nyina no yede ato anim live e wo dwumadi so stick and stay na yen somewhere. Okay, yara se na ya chia wa mo akwa abasonko kwan so ababe pie mu dia. Ene yede nsempa ni nyina e maw e wo de ho na afo anya ochefa ene e free ma santi kotoko atumi aye training ene dabe yes Tuesday another training no atoja kama players dogu ya dogu no me kai Manchester United dogu no ba we dogu yes Yakubu dogo otumi ejina mu kama training Prince Badu ono so training kama Kwame Poku Sanso ena Kracha ya friend say Baba Yahaya and Emmanuel Enchi Joseph Amoah Aziz Haruna Darimo Francis Akwa omunyina Kracha ya friend say Johnson Opon womo awramo ama training timi akoso kama a host of other players Samba mo and our friends will be a wonim say so kan apart from ebia minta and our friends so Kracha ya friend say Shaibu a omapra enom ni ade de bibia de na kwa Emmanuel Kotei wono so training enna bena day na bibia timi etodwa kama o bi sasa na abet Amoah yes abet Amoah yeah expect to say nyamidi adoma by Wednesday that is echna now say possibly achakra Thursday either say echna Wednesday and you obetimi awramo training and answer Thursday anopa emu ba kon obetimi awramo ni na flight schedule and amaniema ebo pay so say it's possibly say nyamidi adoma that echna Wednesday obetumi aye training and you and now say mpo nyameboa till that is Thursday yawada anopa so obetimi awramo I train no about can't then crop for na bibia tumi awie kodim dey so nti eno kind of update kakra ya de ma e de afa kracha e friend say abet Amoah coach Karim Zito very happy say ene coach of the month award no wono ena omode amano na afo ato so December boso me twa mu no wono ene ye so best coach no entry mu kakra yesisu by way of update e de ama goalkeeper so eko e de ma Mo Kamara, that is Mohamed Kamara yen goalkeeper no one and I be to me call AC 13 Eddie man no ancient but still back on training grounds Bebacho Ipra and Toja and the training course so one ekabomu to mika kra Emma Bia course. So say players which say Walid Nema and I feel so cratch a friend say Baba Yaya Womo and Penufobine Kwadana did in Komo Nomnia dia mostly Baba Yaya I see why intensify the training year per nom entry mu a eba opese okuno ho na eniema esa to so ekwa ani mu ntie no entry mu kakra to dwa ewo mu training was nice bibia de na kwam kama bibia ankochimate ewo training grounds ntie no information kakra de ma inatie for now Kotoko management afa dream be say day in and day out and I say week in and week out one better try as much as possible ama old players ni bia rem any players na did in komo na outside the board jo atu ejaso no na odane dan say be ya obia individually obia suban ko anase obia ebo branko obi onuma aboso ba na meja pai say omo kakai omo kakra na omo chom the kind of club omo bo na no enam sai so aboa ama Asante Kotoko nkunim die no awie pay yenkopia mo anyina ase ehonom ena Asante Kotoko opponent a one no ebesi akan nyamedi adoma weekend di ebesi a osina kan ewo honom na boboko no nso edeman shedan kototen ema wo mo saa with regards to monetary aspect enom eni ade na yes senior players Semba nom ene Asante Francis monom ne George Nana Kisimu de ene womo area to mpanyufo anim se ewom se akatua kakra kam nom ne ade de nanso womo game with Asante Kotoko no womo ebebo no pop bere so na omatoa so akomanim na player nanka most likely obetimi free Basake Prince Trineboa wadon so yamfanto anim se ene ni move no and to be materialize said the din kan ede amount no but there of course the free move and it's Prince Trineboa team baako ewa amonone ene agent bi eboa so de ni betu kwan at the end of the season no entwemu a eba ewo oma so ye Basake ye training nene na bibia timi kokko so kama won players awodo a ene na omo enhyeda endododo omo kakra Prince Asempa and afenso Gabriel apia womo nyina ho ato omo pokekra kwan so a ene womo etimi ye training injury bia any Basake Holy Stars aso ye womo so afa na ne den kwa so ade obedum ya womo so mbetima ba bewrem e Kumase na omo ne Asante Kotoko edi atata so eda kwasiada na bibia wie nkunimdie so ye be shada ba na ebrepam ya ba bewrem e wo maso ye na duties bi efri oba no ye de amaba de nim ene se omo last game omo ne Bechem United na boy ye etwa Bechem for the kamienu a Bechem United team ba kon eno ene chemu kakra eba e wo mo na won sika sam bosomi akatua nom ne ade akakra bi nso aka abu ne hunyanko bebe akamu no ene mpanyimfo nso try so mbetimi raise kakra na omode assorti players na bibia wie pay ahead of game a womane Asante Kotoko nso ene ba betata nti eno by way of team news Kotoko next opponent Basake Holy Stars ena yewrem ede kakra ede to anim no na yanko anim the Hope brand a omoya Asante Kotoko kit sponsor no ene womo ya de bi kama de omoyo and it's a ukokopia Morocco, work of Morocco. Ewo almost store a friend and say work store. Na ene Hope store so baby piemu ewo Kumasia Kotoko Hope store and no baby can who be na akradi enimdara so mu obi. But I don't be drum ya in about best a couple of weeks coming, you know. Kotoko entire players, you know, and in Penufo in Abeka Kupiemo, ewa Makom Tituania friend and Makom runabout to ese utu anamo ba ku mienu miensan akọ anim no na store akese ahodo miensan nan a omagie no woma keka ni nyina bo a me no kasai adwuma ekoso womo echechim kama ene honom ene eba ba Kotoko store ably assisted by Hope brand ene womo ne Kotoko combine a store kese be piem nti o pe Kotoko jerseys ato a obeka kopiem ewo the Hope Kotoko brand ho anase Kotoko Hope store ho na watimi akwa yi jerseys ni bi ene sneakers nom ene echenom ni ade ena afi blazers ahodo nyina no wenye nya bi usual t-shirt ahodo a Kotoko players no edon no onso betimi awremu na wenya bi atoto ne kama emu nchemu nyina no enyame boa na omuwie na afi unveil no by popular possibly next week or so no on betimi apa ontuma na bibia timi awie konimdie so nti Kotoko eba benya no official store we a Hope brand ena omo akaboma ope THB niamani nyina bia obetimi awremu ato na bibia timi akoso no achi report kakra ya pekedia free Hope brand asreye ene se womo so consider se omene Kotoko ebenya tit meeting kama na bibia timi akoso no mde ato Kotoko anim se esa Kotoko website hono nyame anim ene no kranie womo timi enya store, that is online store ewo Kotoko official website wo bia section bi o click so a ebetimi lead you na what choose the size of shirt jerseys bia blazer anasa de bia open na watimi choose ho na se ese shipping nom any at the most low mo abonten no amanane asem na making wo matimi ashipe obetimi the information say de bia wa broche no to ade ewo Amazon eBay nom any ade Manchester United teams no any abroche Chelsea nom ni ade Arsenal mo any Man City Real Madrid Barcelona utimi ko main website na omo online store ewa se omo team no website no section bi a o click so eboa ema utimi navigate utimi to jersey ewo website wo bi eno bi na Hope brand for no so ene IT specialist bi edi nkoma enche wo ne Asante Kotoko betena say na omaboa ama ebia section of Asante Kotoko page one na say possibly website one womatimi accurate bibi sa dia to na aboa ama won na pese on tokotoko afade ene ahokade nyina no woma anye free muto wo kumase no ne mpota de wobekọ amakom ba bia store no omoye no ready enche kra no na akwakoto ewo onom wo amonone a na opese omode sende won so a most definitely obetimi anya bi online ho na wato na bibia akoso no nkomoba enche omone Kotoko bedi na afi after say omawie no na eno so I next project down ma bibia betimi atumpo ewo mu Kotoko enra womo meeting that is meet the management and so womo de kakra to jafa female team setup ho a ene yes say after say omo yes video footage ni wie na no womo management meeting na mostly omo discussing ye papa and also nsem kakra free mo to dwa ewo ye baba Kotoko back na mom Nations FC player Pfizer Chawute one also akwakodru nkunimdie kwan so ene one Albanian club announcement eminent enche ebeba enti ofa kwamiche ono nso ehubi kakra teka bibia no ekoso obobom edwen kofo Amoah brekum Chelsea defender ono nso ewremo Portugal enei wokwa akoche ne babra honom na wa join a team onom former Hearts of Oak midfielder Isaac Mensah enei ono nso a join Port City boboko no enenra me de to anim se Mukwala Steven Desi Kotoko former striker no ono nso eko Libya amane anase boboko no 1.5 years contract and was signing ede ama womo from Simba to Anase in Libya and also enchemu kakra efrimu ede bobo ede eba ewo munti yebema more details about Kotoko preparation all year and afi Basake preparation on so ye enti eno ene begram mostly na ye de honsam abro ye mfa Kotoko nko ade ema metujane tactics 7 ho ahwan bia na ye nya ne opponent no mo so mfidi emfa free or no yeah no professionally now if two teams ni nyina no duties no the ese babonte ese fata no ye de ato abonte the ensem fata ebetimi ye niam ahodo bi ni de ye be yi de free mama bibia timi awie nkonim die so eno enche mu kakra eto dwa ewo mu nti two teams ni nyina that is Boboko Basake and Asante Kotoko one training abawiye and a Tuesday ama a pretty pradien ebi ema omo aso ye Kotoko nso bibia dada na kwam apart from players yenim so mo pra no wo ma aka nyina de yenim so mo ho ye mo training kama abet Amoah ye expecting say possibly Wednesday and you make training obetimi aka ho na say Thursday anopa training no obetimi aka ho depending on flight schedule no and nti ena yede sa no etudwa enchemu kakra mpanyfo de ato enme enso de tudwa ama ye na chiefo ye ba na ye ba your Grand Star Arebado interview bia ye de betudwa ama keep on watching na subscribe na di achi ye bo no poke crowd pepa ye nse brewa ha na ye kwa anim.